I'm going to use a student's artwork to demonstrate how to resolve a composition digitally. I'm going to show you how to use some basic selection tools and transformation tools to make sections larger or smaller so that there's less negative or positive space. First, I'm going to break the composition up into two parts, the black on one layer and white on another. The next step is to use my polygonal lasso tool to select around my black shape that I want to enlarge. This tool is very simple. You move your mouse and click to create an anchor point, move again, click again until the whole shape is surrounded. You can complete the selection by joining the 2 points together. And then I'm going to edit and transform or Control T. And I can make it bigger or smaller. If I want to keep accurate proportions, I can hold down the Shift key while moving that binding box, and then it won't distort. When you're happy with the movement, press Enter and it will settle.